Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create and add some YouTube art to your channel. How you can upload a profile picture, how you can upload a banner. So let's get on into the video. I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide. Okay, so the first thing is we're going to go over to this channel which I just created in my previous video. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over and click on your profile icon up here in the top right hand corner. Next thing we're going to go down to YouTube Studio. So click on that. Make sure you're on the correct channel if you have more than one as well. Okay, so once this opens, we're going to look down on the left hand side and we're going to see customization and we're going to click on that. So let's hope it opens. So as it opens, there's nothing on my channel as you can see. So second from bottom, customization. Okay, when we're here, there's layout, branding and info. You can do different things here. So we're looking for branding in this case. Okay, so let's do both of them together. Okay, so let's do upload first. Let's just do our profile picture and then we're going to move on to our banner. So I created one previously and it didn't look very well, so I've created a second one of a bit better size. So let's see how it looks. I think it looks okay. Let's have a look here. That looks not too bad. Might rechange it again. As I said, I may not ever use this channel. Okay, so the next thing here is your banner. So if you're creating it on Canva, you can see Canva will automatically create the size, but if you're creating it on something else like Paint 3D, you need to make sure the size is this and it's less than 6 megabytes. Okay, so let's click upload. So here I created a second one as well. So let's try this one. Hopefully it looks better than the last time I tried this. Okay, we're going to move it up a little. So we've moved it up, so it's just in the middle. So this is what you can see on all devices. This is what you'll be able to see on your desktop, and if you're watching it on a TV, you can see the whole lot. Generally, most people are going to be watching it on their mobile or desktop, so I think it should look okay. So let's click done. Okay, so we can see what it looks like there. I think the two of them look fairly okay to do. So the most important thing you need to do is you need to make sure you hit publish. If you do not click publish, it will not update. So you need to give it a second and it'll start working in the background, it'll go across. So the next thing you need to do is once it's actually published, you need to go down here and change as published, click go to channel, okay? So you need to make sure it looks okay, or you need to redo it again like I've done in this video. So this is my second time, so I think it looks fairly okay. It does. So that's how you update your channel art. You do how you put in your profile picture, how you put in your banner, and may do another video in the future on how you actually create those things. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you very much.